हरिः ओम् गीताभ्यासे 2-20 न जायते म्रियते by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Sunday, May 3rd, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् ॐ श्रीपरमात्मने नमः। न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन्नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे। पदच्छेदाः न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् न अयं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजः नित्यः शाश्वतः अयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. This is clause by analysis now. कदाचित् अयम न जायते. कर्तरि active voice प्रधानम main clause. वा अयम न म्रियते. कर्तरि active voice प्रधानम main clause. Because both these main clauses are connected by va, the conjunction, or, so they are clauses of the same sentence. So it is a compound sentence with two main clauses. Next sentence, na ayam bhutva, active voice, gaunam, subclause. वा न भूयः अयं भविता. Active voice, pradhanam, main clause. So this is a complex sentence with one subclause and one main clause. Then the third sentence is hanyamane sharire ayam ajaha nityah shashvatah puranah na hanyate. Na hanyate. This is passive voice, karmani prayoga. And this whole is one single sentence, pradhana, main vakya, main clause. Subantah, ayam, pratipadikam idam, jatihi sarvanama, arthaha dhis, pullingam prathama ekvachanam, ajaha, na jayate iti ajaha. This is a compound word, samasik shabda. And na jayate, because of na, it is a compound word of the nay type, nay tatpurush. Jatihi visheshanam, not born. Pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Nityah, nitya, visheshanam, eternal. Lingam, पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. शाश्वतः, शाश्वत, विशेषण, परमनेंट. पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. पुराणः, पुराण, विशेषण, एंशंट. पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. हन्यमाने, हन्यमान, हन धातुः कर्मणि प्रयोगः. तस्य कर्मणि प्रयोगस्य शानच् कृदन्तं. शानच् is a suffix, krut suffix, affixed to han, the dhatu. And because it is karmani prayoga, the dhatu will be always in atmanepadam, and hence it will be shanach pratyaya which will affix hanyamana, destructible, being destroyed, being killed. नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम हन्यमाने. शरीरे, शरीर, नाम, noun, meaning body. नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम. भूयः, भूयस, अव्ययम, again. Kritiganta. So I am taking cognizance of words which may be either krudanta or tigantaha, but are serving the verbal function of a verb. So jayate, jan iti dhatu, चतुर्थगणीयः आत्मनेपदी. कर्तरि और कर्मणि. To be born. To be born is actually karmani. But jan, because the dhatu itself is chaturthaganiya atmanepadi, jayate as its form, as its conjugation, has to be taken as kartari also. So it has a mix-up of active and passive voice together. To be born. The idea is that one is born. One does not take birth by one's own volition. That is why jan dhatu is defined to be to have the passive voice sense inherent to it. लट लकारः प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. म्रियते, मृ, षष्ठमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी. कर्तरिप्रयोगः, टू डाई. लट लकारः प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. भूत्वा, भू, प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. कर्तरि, टू बी. दिस इज क्त्वान्तं. क्त्वा is a suffix which also actually affixes as twa only, not the k is dropped. So in grammatical terms it is to be called as ktwantam, after doing an action. That is the sense of the suffix twa. So bhutva, on being. भविता, भू इति धातु प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. कर्तरि, लुट् लकारः. दिस इज अ वेरी रेयरली ऑकरिंग लकारः, बट इट इज यूज्ड हियर. लुट् लकारः प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. हन्यते, हन्, चतुर्थगणीयः आत्मनेपदी. कर्मणि, किल. लट लकारः प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. We have come across this dhatu earlier many times. Anvayanshah, syntactical presentation and translation also. Ayam na jayate mriyate va kadachit. He is not born or does not die ever. Kadachit, ever. Ayam bhutva bhuyah na bhavita. Not that he, on once occurring, will occur again. Ayam ajaha, nityah, shashvatah, puranah, hanyamane sharire na hanyate. He is unborn, eternal, permanent, ancient, and is not killed even if bodies in which he resides can be killed. छंदो विश्लेषण, मेट्रिकल एनालिसिस. एकादशाक्षराणि प्रत्येकस्मिन् पादे, 11 letters in each quarter. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित्. मात्राः एका द्वे एका द्वे एका एका द्वे द्वे एका द्वे द्वे. सो ज भ त ग ग गणाः. नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः. नौ द्वे 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 एका एका द्वे द्वे एका द्वे द्वे. सो म भ त त त g g ganaha. Earlier it was z, the beginning ganaha, and here it is ma, the gana at the beginning. अजो नित्य शाश्वतोयम पुराणो. एका द्वे 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 एका द्वे द्वे एका द्वे द्वे मात्रा. Here य त त g g गणाः. And न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे एका द्वे एका द्वे द्वे एका द्वे द्वे एका द्वे द्वे ज त त ग ग गणाः. So the structure of ganaha is different in every other line. पादे पादे गणभिन्नत्वम अतः उपजाति वृत्तमिदम. So this meter qualifies to be called as the Upajati meter. Swadhyaya, notes of self-study. As in 2-19, here also mention is of ayam, pullingam, brahman or purushaha. The word bhavita is interesting. Rather, the sentence na ayam bhutva bhavita van bhuyaha, the entire sentence is interesting. For one thing, it is sort of pras, onomatopoeia, with rhythmic repetition of bha. Ayam bhutva bhavita van bhuyaha. In Vakyapatiya Abhyasa, clause-wise study, I have taken bhavita to be the kriyapadiyam as bhu lut. Prathama purushaha ekvachana. Note, lut is a type of future tense. But bhavita is also pullingam prathama ekvachanam of bhavitru, bhu truch. By that, bhavita means one who is. So meanings of bhavita can include both present tense and future tense. Meanings of both nitya and shashvata as eternal, permanent sound synonymous. But nitya is used to explain that activities, karmani, are of two types. Nitya karma, such as I sleep 6 hours every day. So that is my nitya karma, day in and day out. Naimittika karma, caused by a specific situation, such as I have to attend friend's wedding today. So that is naimittika karma. It is not a nitya karma. So there is that fine difference of nitya, the dictionary meaning being given as eternal, permanent, as meaning of nitya, does not mean that I am asleep all the time. Nitya means there is some regularity with it. Meaning of shashvata as eternal, permanent has a sense such as a mark done by a permanent marker, by an indelible ink. Note, there is hardly any superfluous word in Gita. It is for us to fine-tune the meaning of every word. The phrase nahanyate hanyamane sharire is more or less a repetition of nayam hanti nahanyate in 2-19. But the phrase hanyamane sharire here makes it more clear that Brahman or Purushaha does not get killed even if the body suffers killing. Rather, this thought that Brahman or Purushaha is avinashi, avyayam, nityaha, shashvataha, ajaha, puranaha, na hanyate is continuing all across 2-17, 2-18, 2-19, 2-20 and will continue further on also. That is why I had thought of taking up shloka 2-19 to 2-19, 2-22 together. Anyway, we shall next proceed to 2-21 and 2-22 one by one. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to Sanskrit 2601 at gmail.com. Shubhamast.